This week's tech tool tip is Rockwell Automation's online product configurator. It's also known as ProposalWorks. We're going to go to ab.com. It'll take you to the website you see here. We're going to go under the Tools tab and all the way at the bottom here, ProposalWorks Proposal Builder. Open up a new tab for you and scroll down just a little bit to ProposalWorks. Click on that. It'll take you to another web page. And our last click here is going to be this online product configurator. Click on that and up pops the product catalog selection. 3 ways I'm going to show you how to search here. First is using keywords, second is using part number, and third is using the little tree of folders down here. For keywords, just start to type anything that you know is part of the description or the bulletin name. So for example, for a drive, I'm going to type in PowerFlex, and I'm going to hit Enter. You could also hit Search here, and it's going to show you all of the results that have PowerFlex in its name or description or is associated in some way. And you go through here. I'm actually looking for the 520 series drive, so I would click on that link, and it would bring me to the selection wizard, and we'll get into that in just 1 second. I just hit back here, hit Reset, start all over. I'm going to show you the second way. Catalog number. Maybe you have just a few parts of the initial string or the bulletin number. For example, 800T. For push buttons, I'm going to use 25C because I know that's the beginning string of a 520 series drive. And again, it narrows down your results. You would just click on it and bring you into the product selection. The last way I'm going to show you is navigating through these folders. We're going to find Rockwell. And I'm going to go into my drives. I'm going to go into my component because I know it's a component class drive. And here we go. Here's your 520. So those are 3 different ways quickly of how to navigate. And I'm going to go in to find that 520 series drive to configure it. Great thing about ProposalWorks is it will create a valid part number for you. So it really saves the hassle of going through the book, referencing all the guides and the lists, and making a part number that is valid. This will do it automatically for you. You start from top to bottom, starting with the no selection. And on your right-hand side, it will give you the appropriate choices that you can click. So for example, I'm looking for a 523 drive. I'm going to click on that, and it's going to start to build a part number for me over here. The accept has not come live yet. It's still grayed out. I can't click on it. So that means I still need to build the part number. I'm going to go down to my voltage class. I'm going to select the appropriate voltage. Again, it keeps building the part number. I need to select the output. Here's a little bit of a description. We'll go with the 10 horsepower and still can't click on that accept button. So it's looking for something right here, filtering options. I'm not going to go with the filter. And here we go. We have a validated part number. If I click accept, it will throw it on the list. But before we do that, I want to show you some of the options you can add in here. So that's a 22 HIM A3. I'm going to click on that, and I can add accessories if you want to add spare parts. The great thing is it highlights. It only allows you to click parts that are appropriate for the product that you're building. You can see how some other ones are grayed out here, but let's go with this fan replacement kit. I just clicked on it, it added one. And let's say we're all done. Click the accept button, and it should throw out a list of products. Here they are right here. Some of the supplementary documents, if you want let's say user manual for the drive, you could just click on that. It'll take you right to the user manual, product profile, all that fun stuff. If it's available, will be right here in this section. So that's it for this tech tool tip on the online product configurator. If you have any questions, let us know, and we'll give you the direct link to the configuration page in the newsletter. Thanks.